Sengazuthi guys ubushuba kakhulu kuleli viki kwababa okwababa njengoba guys kuzoba nama-delay endabeni zamalobolo because of uDumsane guys nomkakhe bazothakatha ngiyanitshela mina. There will be delays, so but-ke guys uyogcina wenzekile-ke umshado and they will be disappointed uDumsane kanye nonkosikazi wakhe if izinto-ke seziqhubeka phakathi-ke kwefamily kamfowabo noma-ke uZwelakhe mangabe seqhubeka-ke namalobolo and umambokazi bathi uzogcina-ke elungisile izinto nomfowabo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Skhosana Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Kwababa from the 8th to the 12th of June 2026 on Monday. The Mbokazi family feud explodes, bringing lobola negotiation to a humiliating halt on Tuesday. A wounded Bahumi draws a line that leaves Zwelakhe scrambling to save what left of their future. Dumsane quietly tightened his grips in the business. Mambokazi takes matters into her own hands on Wednesday. Mambokazi, for proof of plan, backfires while Zwe pulls all the stop to salvage his love with Bahumi. Meanwhile, Umandla count his lucky stars on Thursday. Mambokazi's confrontation with a family member forces Ubangizo to question everything he thought he knew. After a health scare, two lovers find their way back to each other. Tension rises between Dumsane and Zandile as their plans to take over fails on Friday. Bahumi makes a heartbreaking decision. Mambokazi makes amends with her brother. Musa's chillers is short-lived when his mother's friend come and spoil everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.